friends, this is Hi5 trainer. In this video, we'll see how to make a healthy oats paratha. But before we go into the video, if you haven't already, please subscribe as I've already made many cooking related videos on our channel and I'll continue making more. Now let's go into the video. So here I've taken 2 cups of wheat flour. I used this rice cup to measure. Now I'm adding half a teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of oil. After adding the oil, you have to mix them all in. Now make it into a chapati dough while gradually adding some water. After that, I've taken 2 cups of oats. I've measured it using this rice cup. Into the oats, I'm adding 1 medium-sized onion cut into small pieces, 2 green chilies cut into small pieces, and 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves. And also half a teaspoon of Garam Masala powder, half teaspoon of Amchur Powder, half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of red chilli powder. You can adjust the red chilli powder and salt to your taste. And also half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, and half a teaspoon of chaat masala. After adding all of these, mix it. After all the ingredients are nicely mixed, add some water and make it into a dough. So the consistency should be like this. Now make round balls. And put them into another container. Now using a bit of the chapati dough, knead it into a ball shape and flatten it using your fingertips or between your palms. After it's wide enough, put an oats ball on top of it. And gently fold the dough over the oats ball. Make sure you do it gently. And you can remove the excess. Now flatten the ball and roll it out like a chapati. So put some dry flour on both sides. And roll it out using the rolling pin. I've rolled out 3 oats balls. You can use the rest within 2 to 3 days if you store it in the fridge. Now spray some oil onto a hot pan. And put one of the parathas on it. Now spray some more oil onto this side of the paratha. After the first side is cooked, flip it onto the other side. If you want to, you can put some more oil. And tasty oats paratas are ready. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and turn on the notifications bell to get notified whenever I upload another video.